Hello students, now we will discuss about specialized connective tissue, and under that we will discuss about one of the type of skeletal connective tissue. So here you will write skeletal connective tissue. Skeletal connective tissue, here the matrix or the central cytoplasm like content is very dense and there will be accumulation of minerals. Because of accumulation of minerals, this total connective tissue, it becomes very hard. You will write one point. Matrix is dense. Dense means thick. And mineralized means minerals are accumulated. Since it is mineralized, so the tissue is hard. Tissue is hard. Skeletal connective tissue is also called as supporting tissue, because it gives support to all parts of the body. Because it gives support to all body parts. So it is called as supporting tissue. Skeletal connective tissue is of two types. One is cartilage and another one is bone. Is of two types. One is cartilage. Another one is bone. So now we will see about cartilage type of connective tissue. Cartilage connective tissue is a strong but flexible, means we can bend that cartilage type of tissue, but flexible. Flexible means which is able to bend, that connects the joints or different parts of the body. And also frames the endoskeleton of the young ones. Endoskeleton of fetus means newborn one. Coming to morphology, means how this cartilage structure is. So coming to the structure of cartilage, there is one outermost layer which is to one side. We use a term like peripheral. So this part, outermost edge of the cartilage tissue is called perichondrium. Perichondrium has blood vessels, means it is vascularized blood vessels. These are called chondroblasts. These are called vacuole-like structures, and this space is called lacunae. And these are called chondrocytes. This is called matrix, means cytoplasm-like substance. Now, we will write some of the points regarding each and every one. Perichondrium is outer layer of cartilage. Perichondrium has white fibrous connective tissue. Next, perichondrium. We can also write perichondrium is composed of white fibrous connective tissue. Perichondrium is vascular. Vascular means having blood vessels. Matrix of cartilage is produced by, here some of the cells are present, chondroblasts. These chondroblasts divide and mature to form chondrocytes. Next, matrix of cartilage is non-vascular. Only perichondrium, outermost layer, has blood vessels and it is said as vascular, is non-vascular. Now, chondrocytes are embedded in some spaces, vacuole-like spaces called lacunae. Are embedded in vacuole-like space called lacunae. So each lacunae has 1 to 4. Some lacunae will be having 2. Some will be having 1 to 4 number of chondrocytes. Chondrocytes are 1 to 4 in each lacunae. And matrix of hyaline cartilage is said as translucent, means it is transparent, or said as glass-like. Matrix is translucent. It means transparent or glass-like. Hyaline cartilage occupies most of the human body. In embryonic stage, complete body, it is made up of or composed of cartilage only. So, maximum bones of the embryonic body are cartilaginous bones. Body is full of cartilaginous. So, maximum bones of embryonic body are cartilaginous bones. Because they are developed from cartilage. Next. Perichondrium is present. As we have said that matrix is of translucent or glass-like. Next. But here, why it is translucent means the collagen fibers are absent. We can also say means transparent or glass-like because of absence of collagen fibers. Because of absence of collagen fibers. Now, where is this hyaline cartilage located? So, location in animal body. You can say animal body is embryonic endoskeleton. Next, endoskeleton of cyclostomes. These are a type of jawless fishes. We will write here. Cyclostomes are jawless fishes. Next, adult animal body also has hyaline cartilage at some places of the body. Next, epiphyseal plates. What are epiphyseal plates? For suppose, if you take bones, this area is said as epiphysis. This area is said as diaphysis. Meanwhile, there is some junction like. Here also special type of connection will be there, that is said as metaphysis. So in case of total bone near to the epiphysis and metaphysis, there is a special area called as epiphyseal plates. We can say this is separating the epiphysis part of the bone, metaphysis part of the bone. Next. Nasal septum. Nasal septum is the middle part of the bone which is separating the left side of the, middle part of the nose which is separating left side of the nose and right side of the nose. Next, another one, C-shaped cartilage around the trachea. C-shaped cartilage around trachea. See, in our respiratory system, we have trachea like this, which is separated by right bronchi and left bronchi. Here will be the lungs. This is the rough diagram, supposedly. Here, this trachea, it is surrounded by incomplete C-shaped rings. The rings are like this. These are not complete rings. These are not present like this. So we say these are incomplete C-shaped cartilage ribs. Next. Sternal part of the ribs. Sternal part of ribs. See, our sternum will be having, suppose think, this is the rough diagram that I am giving you. Ribs are 12 pairs in our body. So, we'll write 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 8, 9, 10 are attached to the 7th one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So to this 7th rib, 8th, 9th, 10th are attached. 11th and 12th pair of ribs are not attached to this. Those are called as floating ribs. 8, 9, 10 are not attached to the sternum. So these are called as false ribs. 1 to 7 are called as true ribs. 11 and 12 are called floating ribs. Now, at this junction where the sternum is connected to the ribs, here is the cartilage. This cartilage is called as hyaline cartilage. So this red color one is hyaline cartilage. So we call this red marked or lines as sternal part of the cartilage. Actually, this is also called as costal cartilage also. Costal cartilage. Next, other example, articular cartilage. At the junctions of the bones, this hyaline cartilage is present. That area is said as, so if this is the bone, this area which I am shading, this is articular cartilage. Since this is present at the junctions, this is also articular, root word meaning is at the end or at the junctions. So this is articular cartilage. We can also say articular or hyaline cartilage at the junctions, ends of the bones. So here, hyaline cartilage. Next one, fibrous cartilage. Fibrous cartilage is of two types. First one, elastic cartilage. Here there are more number of yellow fibrous connective tissue comparing to that of white fibrous. There are more number of yellow fibrous connective tissue. This yellow fibrous connective tissue gives elasticity to the total cartilage, and so elastic cartilage is flexible in nature. So is flexible. Next, we have seen hyaline cartilage matrix is bluish in color, but here elastic cartilage color is pale yellow in color. Here matrix is pale yellow. It is not bluish. It is not transparent. So where is this type of elastic cartilage located? So location within our body. Location is nose tip. Nose tip, one region. Second one, ear, pinna. Pinna is the part of ear. So this total part of the ear is pinna. So, or we can also say this is outer ear joint. We can also use that term. Next is epiglottis. Epiglottis is the lid-like structure on the glottis, means the larynx-like structure, which is closed during engulfing of food and open when we are just breathing. Next, wall of eustachian tube. Wall of eustachian tube. There is one connection to the ear and also our pharynx. The connection between the pharynx and the middle part of the ear is called eustachian tube. Next one. So first one is elastic cartilage. Next one is white fibrous cartilage. White fibrous cartilage. Basically, cartilage is having perichondrium, but here in case of white fibrous cartilage, perichondrium is absent because complete white fibrous connective tissue is converted into cartilage. This one has more number of collagen fibers. So it is said as the strongest cartilage. Has more content of collagen fibers. So said as strongest cartilage. So, where is this white fibrous cartilage is located? Coming to location. One is pubic symphysis. So, in the pelvic region, we have right part of the pelvic region, left part of the pelvic region, which is around the waist region. So, that middle part, which is connecting the left pelvic region and right pelvic region, is called as pubic symphysis. The joint that connects right and left parts of pelvis. We can also say pelvis. Also, we can use the term pelvic bone. We'll write, not region. Pelvic bone. Another one example is intervertebral discs. Intervertebral discs means the junctions between each and every vertebrae. See, we have vertebral column like this. Vertebral column on the back side, dorsal side of the body. We have cervical bones. 1 to 7. Cervical bones, 7 in number. Next, thoracic bones. 1 to 12 in number. Lumbar bones. 1 to 5 in number. Sacral bones. 1 to 5 in number. Sacral bones. 1 to 5 in number. Sacral bones. At the end will be the caudal bone or coccyx bone. Coccyx bone. Between each and every vertebrae, there will be intervertebral disc. This intervertebral disc, after the death of the person or during sleep, length of the person is little bit elongated. That is because of relaxation of intervertebral discs. So all these vertebrae are having connection with intervertebral discs. So while sleeping, or after death. Slight elongation of body is due to relaxation of this disc. Next and the last one, cartilage, calcified cartilage. So here we have written calcified cartilage. This type of cartilage, it is modified hyaline cartilage due to deposition of calcium salts. It is modified hyaline cartilage due to deposition of calcium salts. It is said as hardest cartilage of the body. Hardest cartilage of body. We have said that the matrix of the cartilage is made up of chondro, mucoprotein and also mucopolysaccharide. Means it is composed of. Like that, calcified cartilage is composed of calcium in form of hydroxyapatite. Next. So where is this calcified cartilage located? So if you see the locations, location is head of femur and humerus. Head of femur and humerus in man.